If you've been trying to lose belly fat but nothing seems to work, then listen closely, because today you're about to discover 10 powerful foods that can literally switch your body into fat-burning mode. These aren't fad ingredients or complicated diets. These are simple, everyday foods backed by science that help shrink your waist, boost your metabolism, control cravings, and melt stubborn belly fat naturally. Welcome back, my friend. In this video, we're breaking down 10 belly fat torching foods you can start eating today. I'll show you exactly how each one works inside your body, why they target stubborn fat specifically around the midsection, and the best ways to include them in your daily routine. Stay with me till the end. Number 10 is one of the most overlooked fat-burning ingredients most people never use. Number 1. Avocado. The healthy fat that attacks belly fat from within. Avocados are often misunderstood because of their fat content, but this is the exact type of fat that helps your body burn belly fat faster. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which improves insulin sensitivity. And insulin is one of the key hormones responsible for storing fat around the midsection. When your cells respond better to insulin, your body stops storing fat and instead begins unlocking stored fat for fuel. This shift alone makes a huge difference in belly fat loss. Avocados are also incredibly high in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings, and keeps you full for long periods. When you stay satisfied longer, your calorie intake naturally drops without effort or hunger. Beyond fat burning, avocados contain potassium and magnesium, which remove excess water, decrease bloating, and reduce inflammation, helping the belly appear flatter. Add avocado to your breakfast. Use it in smoothies or pair it with lean proteins or salads. Its nutrients help your body stay full, energized, and in fat-burning mode for hours. Number 2. Green tea, the ancient metabolic accelerator. Green tea is one of the most studied natural fat burners in the world, and for good reason. Its magic lies in a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, a powerful antioxidant that increases fat oxidation, especially in the belly area. EGCG works together with caffeine to create a thermogenic effect, meaning your body begins burning more calories at rest. This effect supports consistent fat loss throughout the day. Green tea also reduces inflammation, boosts digestion, improves liver detoxification, and stabilizes blood sugar, all essential factors for belly fat reduction. Even better, matcha, a more concentrated form, offers even higher levels of EGCG, giving you a stronger fat-burning effect. Drink 2 to 3 cups a day, especially in the morning or before exercise, to enhance calorie burn, sharpen your focus, and elevate your metabolism. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It helps the channel grow and allows me to create more helpful content for you. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a belly fat-burning powerhouse because it brings together 3 crucial elements: protein, probiotics, and low sugar. The high protein content increases thermogenesis, meaning your body burns more calories breaking down the protein itself. This boosts your metabolic rate and helps you maintain lean muscle, which naturally burns fat even at rest. But the real belly fat advantage lies in the probiotics. A healthy gut influences everything from digestion to fat storage and inflammation. When your gut bacteria are balanced, your hormones work better, cravings decrease, bloating reduces, and your body becomes more efficient at burning stored fat. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, which has been shown to support fat metabolism and regulate fat storage hormones. Choose unsweetened, plain Greek yogurt and top it with berries, nuts, or a small drizzle of honey for a balanced fat-burning snack. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are easily one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat for belly fat reduction. They contain complete protein, healthy fats, essential vitamins, and a valuable nutrient called choline, which helps break down fat stored in the liver and abdominal area. Protein from eggs keeps you full, reduces snacking, and increases your metabolic rate through the thermic effect of food. Meanwhile, the healthy fats provide steady energy and prevent blood sugar spikes, one of the key triggers of belly fat storage. Studies consistently show that people who eat eggs for breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day and experience better weight management results. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or omelets, eggs are incredibly versatile and powerful for reducing belly fat. Number 5. Berries. Berries are among the most effective fruits for fat loss because they are low in calories, yet incredibly high in fiber and antioxidants. The fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings, while the antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, reduce inflammation in fat cells and improve how your body uses insulin. This helps prevent the spikes and crashes that lead to belly fat accumulation. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries all support digestion, reduce bloating, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. They make the perfect snack, smoothie ingredient, or yogurt topping, giving you sweetness without the metabolic damage of sugary foods. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation, one of the leading causes of stubborn belly fat. Omega-3s help regulate hormones such as cortisol and leptin. When these hormones are balanced, your appetite stabilizes, cravings decrease, and your body becomes more efficient at burning stored fat rather than holding onto it. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein. Eating enough protein helps build lean muscle, which increases your basal metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even while sitting or sleeping. Wild salmon, grilled or baked, is one of the most effective fat-burning dinner options available. Number 7. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a potent compound known for increasing metabolism and promoting fat oxidation. Capsaicin literally creates heat inside the body, a process called thermogenesis, which increases your calorie burn throughout the day. It also helps suppress appetite and reduce cravings, allowing for better portion control and overall calorie reduction without feeling restricted. Even mild chili peppers can support fat loss, and cayenne pepper, jalapenos, and red pepper flakes are excellent additions to meals for an extra metabolic boost. Number 8. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredibly low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, detoxify the liver, and support efficient fat metabolism. Leafy greens improve digestion, reduce bloating, and help control hunger. The fiber slows down the absorption of sugar and stabilizes blood glucose levels, which is essential for targeting belly fat. Adding a serving of greens to at least one meal a day can drastically change how your body burns and stores fat. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds provide a powerful nutritional combo: healthy fats, protein, and high fiber. These nutrients help regulate appetite, stabilize blood sugar, and support hormone balance, all of which play a massive role in reducing belly fat. Chia and flax seeds contain soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing digestion and keeping you full for hours. A small handful of nuts or a tablespoon of seeds can dramatically reduce overeating and promote consistent fat loss. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most underrated fat-burning superfoods, yet it plays a powerful role in dissolving stubborn belly fat. It contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which boost metabolism, enhance thermogenesis, and reduce inflammation, especially in the belly area. Ginger also improves digestion, fights bloating, and regulates blood sugar levels. A stable blood sugar environment means fewer cravings and less fat stored in the midsection. Consuming ginger before meals can help your body burn more calories during digestion, while drinking ginger tea can reduce appetite and support fat loss throughout the day. Add it to smoothies, teas, stir-fries, or warm water with lemon for a simple and effective fat-burning boost. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition and health content. Let me know in the comments which one of these belly fat-burning foods you're adding to your diet first, and I'll see you in the next video.